Hello, and welcome back to part 8 in the Algorithm Lab tutorial series. And what I'm going to be teaching you about in this video is shapes. Now, a shape in Algorithm Lab is not like a real shape in life, I guess. It's not like a circle or a square or a triangle. It's like an image. It can be a shape in some cases, but it's mostly used as an image. So I want to make a shape out of, I guess I kind of want to use this little area right here. So I'm going to go up to Edit, Create Shape. Then I'm going to find out which area I want. Actually, I think this whole cube would look good. So what you do is click on the area you want to select. So you click down and you drag. So I kind of want this, or I'm going to make a cube. So once you got it, you let go and you name it. I'm just going to name this cube and press enter. Now we just created a shape, and you can view this shape going to Window, Shapes Manager, and you select your shape. As you can see here, this is like an image. So we just created, we took this image and we just created a little image out of it, and we're storing it for later use. So what shapes are very useful for is just a lot of things, but what they're used for a lot is like this. You randomly place this shape on the canvas. So you can render this out, and you've got it randomly placed on the canvas. So you could use this with leaves or a dirt texture, and you can have it bigger or smaller or any one of those things. So it's just an image. None of the color changed. That's because I don't have color shape on. Color shape will make it like a shape. So if you color the shape in and we render this out, I'm just going to render this out in the middle of the screen. There we go. Now it's just a solid red color. Turn that off, we get back our normal one. So that's the basics of a shape. It's pretty much it for what they do. I'm going to show you how to create a quick dirt texture out of a shape. So I'm going to clear off the canvas, and I'm going to render out random bubbles on the canvas with a width and height of 10. I'm actually going to render them out in 100 and 100. And render them out 100 times also. So I'm going to pick a brown color, kind of, I guess. Something that looks kind of like dirt, soil, or something. So I'm going to click on that and click render. And I'm going to click a bit darker, maybe. Click one more time. And maybe a bit lighter. And render. So now I'm going to create a shape out of this, but I'm going to use Control-Alt-S. And I'm just going to drag, create that. I'm just going to call this dirt. And then I want to do the same exact thing, but with our dirt shape. So I'm going to leave all of this the same. It's going to render out the dirt in this area being 10 by 10. Render. And there we go. Now I want to create a shape out of this again. I'm going to just call this dirt 2. And I'm going to render out dirt 2, but a bit bigger this time. So it fills up my whole canvas. And there we go. That's pretty, doesn't exactly look like dirt, but looks kind of good for a dirt texture, just made very quickly. And you could even just let me try this. I'm going to create a function real quick, and I'm going to render pixel, or no, sorry, I'm going to random distribute 20. I'm just going to call this Q, and okay, and I'm going to click on Q and run. So this might give it a more grainier look, maybe not. Yeah, looks a bit grainier. Looks that looks much better, I think. So you can continue to run this, but that's the basics of what shapes are good for, and that's the shape and shape function uses shapes. Not exactly sure exactly what yet, but we'll see later on, and I'll see you in part 9.